Hi guys, I'm so excited. So I'm going on a road trip with my girlfriends. The only problem is that my car needs servicing and I have a very hectic shoot schedule. But luckily I found this great service by Pitstop where they come to your place and service your car. Isn't that great? That was super smooth guys, so my car is all set for the trip. It literally took just 90 minutes. I was sitting there, sent my mail, did the calls and the car was being serviced meanwhile. And also guys, Pitstop guarantees 100% genuine spare parts. Isn't that great? Thank you so much Pitstop.